Hello, good morning, my dear student. How are you? I hope you all are very good, fit, and fine. So today we are going for workbook solution of Omna's journey. That is chapter number 6 in environmental science. Okay. So starting with the first one, choose the correct alternative from those who given the questions are here. So there is some MCQs given on here. You have to choose a correct option from here. Which ticket had Omna's father book? So we can say that the railway ticket has Omna's father book. So option number B is answer. What is the name of the main junction of Kutch district? So we can say the Gandhidham is the main name of the junction of a Kutch district. Okay. Now fourth one, who is there in a train to check passengers ticket? So we can say that there is a ticket checker who check the passengers ticket in a train. Okay. So option number C is the answer. Fifth one, what is a person who makes a salt known as? That is a salt maker. So option number D is the answer. Which bridge is known as the entrance of Kutch? So that is a bridge of Surajbari bridge. So we can say that is the entrance of Kutch, Surajbari bridge. Okay. So option number A is the answer. Question number 7, that is you have to not done here because that is answer from Riya's journey, and we have to only done those questions which are from Omna's journey. Okay. So question number 2, fill in the blanks in each sentences with the appropriate words. So Omna's journey started from which station? That is Ahmedabad station. The game of the snakes and ladders is played with a slider, and you can say that dice. Okay. Then for third one, not you have to done now. Fourth one, Omna's family would travel by train and go to Kerala. Okay. Then Ahmedabad junction came after Gandhidham railway station. Okay, because after Gandhidham railway station there is a junction, that is Ahmedabad. 6th and 8th you have not done, and the 7th one you have to write here. The Surajbari bridge is also known as the entrance of a Kutch. Okay. Now question number 3 here, mark in front of the those statements who are true and the cross in front of those statements that are false. So Omna was going to Surat by train. No, Omna is going to Kerala by train. Okay. The first one, that is a cross. Radha's accident just 2 days before the journey, right? There is a friend, Radha is a friend of Omna. Okay. Then Radha told Omna to write all the detail about their journey. Okay, that is true. Then it was non-moon day, you have not done here. 4th number you have to cross this. 5th number, the name of the train in which the Omna's travel was Saurashtra Express. No, that is a Gandhidham Express, so you have to cross here. When the train arrived at Ahmedabad station, people starting boarding the train unhurriedly. No, when the team anywhere of this junction, when train arrived at station, the people started crowding. They starting pushing each other. That's why we can say that is not a quickly behavior, that is a hurriedly behavior. So we can cross this. Now question number 4, match the columns appropriate words. So Omna's friend, that is a Radha. So we can write here C. Bhuj, you have not done here, cross this Bhuj answer. Now they make salt pans. Who makes salt pen? That is a salt maker. So option number A, Surajbari bridge, that is the entrance of Kutch. So option number B is the answer. Now insert the following question in word and 2 sentences. So in which vehicles have you traveled? So whatever the vehicle you have traveled, you can write your name. I have traveled many of different vehicles, for example bicycle, scooter, auto rickshaw, bus, car, train, etc. Okay. Now have you ever traveled by train? If yes, then from where, up, and to which place? So yes, I have traveled by a train many times. I have traveled by train when visit to grandmother's house, and my grandmother's house is Ahmedabad. So we had traveled by Himmatnagar to Ahmedabad. Okay. So where was Omna's family going for a holiday? So we know that Omna's family was going for a holiday to Kerala. Okay. Now question number 4, what did Radha's Amma tell Omna to do for remembering the journey? For remembering the journey, Radha's Amma told Omna to write all the detail in a diary about your journey. Okay. Question number 5 you have to not done because that is a Riya's family. Now question number 6, who is this person in the train wearing a black coat, white trouser and special kind of cap on his head? What does he do? So we can say that the person in the train wearing a black coat, white trouser and the special kind of cap on his head, there is a ticket checker. He only check the passenger's ticket. Now 7th one, which all railway stations are known as a junction? So we can say that railway station from which 2 or more railway lines separate and go in a different direction, that is called a junction. Okay. Now question number 8, by which other name is the Surajbari bridge known as? So the Surajbari bridge is also known as the entrance of Kutch. So question number 9 and 10 you have to not done. And question number 11, is there a sea near Kutch? If yes, then which? So yes, there is a sea near the Kutch. It is known as a Gulf of Kutch. This question is only for your general knowledge. If you want to write, then you can write from this screen. Okay. Now question number 6, question number 1 you have to not done here. Now second one, how will you recognize the ticket checker at the time of journey? There is a ticket in every train to check the passenger's ticket. He wears a black. So we can say that the ticket checker wears a black coat, white trouser and a special kind of cap on his hand. Which facilities are provided in the train? Write detail. So we can say that there is a common coaches coaches as well as AC coaches in the train. These coaches also have sleeping berth, blanket for the night, snacks and meals, etc. The windows AC coaches are made up of glass. It also provides as a bathing and washing facilities. Okay. Now question number 4. Write about Omna saw in Ahmedabad from the moving train. So Omna saw many fields when the train moving from Ahmedabad, but they all were brown. They see many different types of fields like they were brown and dry. Sometimes train passed from small villages. Okay, question number 5 you have to not turn. Question number 6, state the difficulties faces when while traveling by train. So many difficulties we are facing while traveling by train. For example, when train come, people were getting off and others were pushing and put their luggage crowdly and then find a properly seat. Okay, question number 7 that you have not done. 9, why is the little run Kutch known as the white desert? So as general knowledge you can write here, due to the layer of the salt that has set in the little run of Kutch, in moonlight and even in daylight it looks like a white sheet. Okay, now question number 7, when you travel by a train, did you buy anything from the vendors of the railway station? If yes, then prepare a list from whatever you have to bought from that vendors. Okay, so the tea, water, bananas, coffee, biscuit, cold drink, samosa, apple, magazines, newspaper, toys, milk, whatever you have to bought from that vendor, you can write here answer. Okay, so this is all about our today's session. In next session we will meet and talking about the second part of Omna's journey.